Alright, okay, we have enemy finally.
2 PS1 ah.
Ayan guys. Boss rush na. Kalaban natin Barts 3 tsaka ano, Kain
2
9.
versus 1 ah.
Yeah, super.
2 versus 1. Sige.
Ay,
2 versus 1
we
guys.
got enemy and 2 PS1 ah. PS1. Ay,
Loko yun ha.
I think Kain is, you know,
Ay hindi na natin sila kalaban yung Kain.
Kain is neutral.
So Barts 3 na lang kalaban natin yan ha.
Dragon Beast 3 minutes.
So where we go?
Sa west din sila guys.
West? Okay, west.
One.
Game guys. Di yan, Barts 3 na lang kalaban natin. Malalakas yun. Barts 3 eh. Malalakas to guys yung mga Barts 3.
Hand Droid 10 minutes.
Let's go. Move.
Follow GG.
Ay hindi, kalaban pa din natin guys oh. 2 versus 1 to, 2 versus 1. Isa lang tayo sa cut tayo guys. TP out muna. 2 versus 1 guys. Malalakas pa mo yung
Yeah, they
nakasangga talaga yung Garuda tsaka Dian. Kalaban natin dalawa.
West, again, west.
Okay guys.
Yeah, west.
Tatry lang natin makaagaw.
Okay. Ready, guys? Guys, let's try to pull them. Ah.
Sige.
Just free hit, try to pull them.
Yan.
Don't hesitate to TP out, guys, ha? It's like this, TP out, it's like this. TP out. Back west.
Sobrang dami nila guys.
Dragon Beast spawned. Valefer 5 minutes. Chertuba 10 minutes.
If you meddle in my
Through knowledge, magic is purely
Okay,
a
move.
byproduct of the natural world.
Dapat hindi tayo sa harap guys.
Okay, west again.
Sobrang dami nila.
Inkora 10 minutes. Selu 5 minutes. Hysilrome 10 minutes.
TP out, TP out. Don't go west, don't go west, don't go west. They're waiting. Wait, let me check first. Don't go west.
Sobrang nadami yan, idol. Sobrang nadami yan, idol. Malakas pa naman din yun, guys, yung Bards 3.
Ready, guys. AS, AS. We go north, we go north.
Sorry, not.
North, north.
Valefer 3 minutes. Basila 10 minutes. Savan 10 minutes.
Here. Follow.
Let's go. Dalawang clan sila, guys, eh. Magkasangga sila. Tingnan mo naman, sobrang dami nila. Try lang natin
Wait, boss.
makabago.
TP out.
Sobrang dami.
Guys, if possible, try to hit the same target, ah. That PUP already dimensional. Ready? Buff. AS.
Pandroid 5 minutes. Selu 3 minutes.
Okay, ready? TP north. Sorry. TP, ayan, north. 3, 2, 1, go north. Hold north.
Careful, not.
No, just TP.
Okay. Ito ako. Dalawang clan pa kayo, ah.
Ako going to solo.
Loko, dyan ka pa nag-TP. Loko ka talaga.
Ready?
Ikaw din. Dyan ka pa
Ready.
nag-TP. Ikaw din. Dyan ka nag-TP. Loko. Ikaw, dyan ka pa nag-TP, ha. Dalawang clan sila, guys. Pitulit na lang ako. Di namin mapul, eh. Sobrang dami nila masyado.
Problema, out of position.
Pero try lang namin makadaling kill.
Rena ako. Bombay. TP out, guys.
Ay,
North, RT north, fast.
okay. Oh, Garuda in north also. Come.
Balik tayo agad, guys.
Valefer spawned. Pandroid 3 minutes.
Okay.
Chertuba 5 minutes.
Wait for the boss debuff.
Yeah, debuff or stun. Oh, fuck. The boss.
Back.
Try lang natin makaano ito. Nabasa nila.
North.
Yeah.
Balik tayo dun agad, guys. Wait lang.
Don't TP north. Not safe.
Ancora 5 minutes. Hysilrome 5 minutes. Celu
Okay, TP
spawn.
North, TP North. North safe, come on.
Go guys. Saan kayo?
Okay na ako.
Sasabay naman kami guys eh. Sasabay naman kami guys. Kahit isang clan lang kami, dalawa po. Tapos na yata. Tapos na guys. Kill na lang. Uy, may ano.
Apple juice, apple juice.
Limaw. Limaw guys. Ah! Limaw yun ah. Sa part 3 yata yun.
Chantuba 3 minutes.
We get off.
Sayang guys.
Savon 5 minutes. Basila 5 minutes.
Oh, may token tayo. May join pa tayo guys. Yee, sobra na dami yan idol. Try natin mga Try natin sabayan to. Hindi na ako naka-TP guys.
I don't think so. The share.
Malalakas yan guys, Bart's 3.
We got share? Huh? They want to share?
Hysilrome 3 minutes. Handroid spawn. Angkora 3 minutes.
Nice game.
They are sharing.
Nice game guys.
Wait, they are sharing the scroll.
Nakulo ko to.
Savon 3 minutes. Basila 3 minutes.
We actually killed the lander.
It's okay. Trying luck. I got it.
Thanks guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for all you supporting my content. Kaya dahil dyan, meron kang 3 soft move with Pitik. Thank you so much.